Patrick's Day falls on a Sunday and you know your girls be brunching. So, we are going to be making green mimosas.
And you know, everybody's gonna be drinking the green beer. Okay, that's basic, yeah, whatever. We got the green champagne today.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna teach you how to make the green champagne today. We're gonna start off with adding an ounce of OJ and 2 ounces of melon liqueur.
Add 2 ounces of champagne. We're gonna give it a little whirl.
And we're gonna top it off with a little cherry.
And there you have it, the green mimosa.
Cheers.
Cheers.
If you got a green drink, will you get pinched if you're not wearing green? No.
No, I don't think
You won't.